The Chief Justice of Pakistan should be deciding constitutional issues, not samosa ki कीमत, चीनी की कीमत. For me, the judiciary of Pakistan is a place for the battle of legal ideas, for jurisprudence, for constitutionalism, for the fundamentals of human rights and human dignity. It is not a place for us to decide where or where not to build a dam. The higher judiciary is the place where the weakest and the meekest of the meek turn for protection. It is the one source of shelter for the poorest of the poor. And it is indeed absolutely an affront to this principle that we had to watch, unable to speak, unable to act, when instead of deciding the fundamentals of the legal framework, instead of confronting a full-blown assault on democracy that has resulted in this selected regime, some judges took it upon themselves to busy themselves, to busy the courts, to busy the legal community on deciding which building should be broken, which building should not be broken. We appeal to the honorable bar. We appeal to the members of the legal community. We appeal to the honorable judges whose intelligence, dignity, and honor are beyond question, that the fate of the judiciary of Pakistan, the fate of democracy is in your hands. There is the blood, sweat, and tears of generations of lawyers that has contributed to the dignity of this profession. Justice Cornelius, there are so many justices that have made their mark on history, who are respected not only in Pakistan, not only in the region, but across the world. The fate of the future of the judicial system and democracy in Pakistan lies in your hands. We beseech you, we beg you, from those of us who have always bowed before the rule of law, from those of us who have always bowed before the Constitution of Pakistan, we beseech you, please save the judiciary of Pakistan. Save the legal community of Pakistan. We have a choice. We are at a fork in the road. We can either set an example when on one side of our borders we have an extremist regime, on the other side of our borders we have another extremist regime. Pakistan has the opportunity to shine as a beacon of light, of democracy, of modernity. Or we could go on the wrong fork of the road. We can make a mockery of our parliament, we can make a joke of our judiciary. We choose to make the right choices. We founded this country. We founded a democratic, federal, pluralistic society. The lawyers of Pakistan have made every single dictator shake. डरते हैं आपके black coat से, आपके सामने, in front of you, there is no power, no authoritarianism that can withstand the might of a united legal fraternity. And this is why I choose to conclude by summing up what the Pakistan People's Party has decided: to challenge this regime of today and to call upon the legal community who once stood shoulder to shoulder with Qaid-e-Awam Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who once stood shoulder to shoulder with Shaheed Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto, to once again stand with the party founded by those briefless lawyers to save our constitution and to save democracy. The People's Party has decided to march, to lead an Awami march that will start on the 27th of February and make its way to Islamabad. We march to save our democracy. We march to save our democracy, to save our constitution, to save our economy, and to save our country. We march because it is our democratic right to protest, and we are a democratic people. We do not believe in ransacking the courts. We do not believe in ransacking Parliament. We do not believe in attacking PTV. We do believe in democratic solutions. We will run a campaign against this selected government. We will run a campaign that the people of Pakistan have lost faith in this Prime Minister. We will run a campaign calling on each and every parliamentarian to join us in bringing a no-confidence motion to democratically challenge this incompetent government. We will show the people of Pakistan कि इस वक्त जब वो मुश्किल में हैं, जब मुआशी बहरान है, जब इंसानी हकूक पे हमले हो रहे हैं, जब जमहूरियत का जनाजा निकाला गया है, तो कौन सा पार्लियामेंटेरियन, कौन सा नेशनल असेंबली का उम्मीदवार अवाम के साथ खड़ा है और कौन सिलेक्टेड के साथ खड़ा है. We pray inshallah ta'ala, God willing, we will succeed. We must succeed to save Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.